Hi everybody, Jesse Jackhammer here, and welcome to the steel cage match. It's Jesse Jackhammer versus Jacob Goat for the Universal title. Gonna be a barn of a match. Who's gonna win? Oh, leg drop onto Jacob Goat. Oh, an elbow shot to Jacob Goat now. Jesse Jackhammer now making his way up. Oh, falls down to the mat. Standing dropkick to Jacob Goat by Jesse Jackhammer. Clothesline. Reverse clothesline again to Jacob Goat. Oh, another one. Jacob Goat's still up. Oh, an elbow to the face to Jacob Goat. Oh, Jacob Goat into the corner. Jacob Goat is down. Jacob Goat starting to stir. But can he prevent Jesse Jackhammer from escaping and retaining his title? Oh, what a powerbomb by Jacob Goat onto Jesse Jackhammer, putting him down to the mat. Oh, what a shot to the back of the neck. Oh, Jacob Goat now, relentless. Nation DDT. Jacob Goat is down again, but he's getting back up. Clothesline. Jesse Jackhammer now climbing up. Oh, punch to the back. Another powerbomb by Jacob Goat onto Jesse Jackhammer. Jesse Jackhammer is down. Oh, clothesline to the back of the neck. Reversal. Oh, no, missed the clothesline. A suplex by Jacob Goat onto Jesse Jackhammer. Oh, 3 suplexes now. Jacob Goat's getting his finisher, and he has it now. One more suplex. Can Jesse Jackhammer find a way to survive? And he does by kicking out. Whippersnipper! Whippersnipper! Jacob Goat hits the whippersnipper, but can't keep Jesse Jackhammer down. Jacob Goat now making his way up, but Jesse Jackhammer gets back up. Pulls him back in. Oh, Jesse Jackhammer hits a powerbomb. Down goes the Goat. Down goes Jacob Goat. Jacob Goat got powerbombed by Jesse Jackhammer. Jesse Jackhammer now trying to escape, but can't. Oh, an elbow to the face again. Oh, Jacob Goat hits the clothesline. Jesse Jackhammer's back on his feet. Oh, misses the moonsault off the top rope. Grabs his leg. Look. Oh, dragon screw. Jesse Jackhammer now back on his feet. Jacob Goat trying to escape. Oh, hits the knee upside the cage. Not a powerbomb. Jacob Goat's down. He dropped him like a sack of potatoes. Are we gonna see it? Yes, we are. We're gonna see the Jackhammer. Jacob goes down. 1, 2. Kick out at 2 by Jacob Goat. Jacob Goat's down and out. Now Jesse Jackhammer is making his way out of the steel cage. Because Jacob Goat can't stop him. Jacob Goat now is getting back to his feet. Can he grab Jesse Jackhammer and pull him back in? And he does. Jesse Jackhammer is now on top of the cage, getting pulled back into the ring by Jacob the Goat. Oh wait, Jesse Jackhammer now making his way to the top of the cage. Who's gonna win? Will Jesse Jackhammer retain? Oh, it's a fight to the bottom. Who's gonna hit the floor first? Oh, Jesse Jackhammer has retained his Universal title. Wow, what a match, you folks. Bye for now.